Hello, my name remains Segun Awolowo. I'm glad to be with you again today. Now, let's look at something very important today. We look at little things that can make a big difference in your business. Some insignificant but very powerful things that if you pay attention to them, they're going to help you a great deal to achieve better results and much more than you are achieving right now. When you talk about building a successful business, most times people think it's all about capital. You need money and money and money. But I'll tell you what, a whole lot of time you may not even need the money that you think you need to achieve some level of results as far as building a business is concerned. And so one of the things I would like to talk to you about is, first of all, your interpersonal relationship with the people that you are dealing with. For those of you who already have clients that you are servicing already, the relationship between you and your client is very, very important. How much of relationship do you have with them? It may be small, it may be little, it may be something that you don't pay attention to, but it's very, very important. And sometimes just sending them a message, it may be the little things that makes difference as far as relating with you and your business is concerned. And let me also bring it back home, just in case you may think that it's just all about you and your client. There are times when you have to also bring it home to relate with those who are serving you, who are working with you. I tell you what, there are two sets of customers that you have to understand that you are dealing with. We have those who are external and those who are internal. A whole lot of time you focus more on the external clients or external customers, those people that you service, those people that you sell product to. Most times we ignore those who are the internal customers, the people that are servicing or those people who are working with you. Call them your staff. Dealing with your internal customers is something that you have to pay attention to. So as little as creating a support system for those who are your internal customers, those who are serving you, those who are working with you, it makes a lot of difference in engaging and making business easy for you at the end of the day. I tell you what, one of the things you have to understand is that you will not always be there. I'm talking to people right now who have grown beyond running that business as a single person who is the one driving the business. You have 1-2 people serving you. You need to pay attention to this, and it's very critical and important for you to understand that what you do with your internal customers will have a great impact on your external customers. So you need to pay attention to treating them well, making them happy. It is in their excitement and happiness that they can provide happiness. Their own level of joy will determine how they will be able to serve the customers that are coming from outside. So my recommendation is this: take care of the people who are serving with you. Take care of the people who are working with you. I'm going to have a proper time to break it down, but this is very important. It's as little as it is, it has a great impact in making your business to become more viable, more relevant, and more significant in the days to come. Now, let me move into something else now. In doing some little things that make your business relevant and consistently significant. This is very important. Now, when you need to tell people about your business? How do you explain your business to them? What do you tell them about your business? What level of confidence do you have when it comes to sharing your business experience? And this is what I mean. It's look like sometimes you are trying to market your business to people, but sometimes it is not just about telling people that it's important. It is how you tell them, how you are able to speak what you do to people. So my recommendation is this. Sometimes you may just want to talk to somebody, and then the way to talk to somebody is by sharing part of your business experience with the person. And this is what I mean by sending something ahead of time. The people who need to know and hear about your business, sharing a gift, sending a gift about. And when I mean a gift, I'm talking about your product. If you have a product, and if you provide a service, providing your own service to them, as little as it is, it gives your business a lasting relevance, because what that does is that it is not everything. Now let me explain. It's not every time that you do business with people that you must put money ahead. It is not every time that you do business with people that you must always demand for money from them. There are intervals, there are times when you just offer your service and provide that service or your product absolutely free of charge. It makes your client to get endeared to you, and then it builds a more solidified relationship between you and your customers. Now, pay attention to this. You are not in business without customers. If you don't have customers, or you don't grow your customer base, you are not doing business. You are just carrying out activities. And so sometimes you just need to do things that will get them surprised by offering free services when they expect to collect, or you expect that you're going to collect money from them. So these are the little things that you need to pay attention to from time to time. Number one, pay attention to your internal customers and let them be happy working with you. As little as it is, do everything you can. We will talk about all other things that we can do when in our other episode. Pay attention to them. Do all that you can do to make your internal customers happy, and then do everything you can to make those you are servicing and you are selling to happy. And one of the things you can do, like I said, is you offer them free products even when they are ready to offer you payment for it. Offer free services. It is not every time that you demand money for everything that you have to provide for your especially those who have been with you over a period of time, because you understand that one of the things that keeps you in business is referral. And for people to refer you, they must have been satisfied, they must have been happy with what you do with them. And one of the ways to get them happy is not just to provide the best of service or the best of the product, but that at interval you show appreciation to them by offering them free services and free product even when they don't demand for it. This, and I believe, will help you to keep your relevance and significance in business. I like you to subscribe to this YouTube page. It's going to help you a great deal. There are so many other information that you will benefit from. So please subscribe now, and I see you at another time. My name remains Segun Awolowo. God bless you.